Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today we are talking about accent focal point walls, and I can't wait to share with you guys this beauty of a project that was completed for this young client. I love having young people because they challenge you in a way that you can't believe. But at the end result, when you marry the desires of the client and the things that I know the client would actually love, it is a spectacular outcome. So let's get started. Let's walk through one of my favorite type of projects, an open concept space that feels layered, intentional, and incredibly warm. Open floor plans are beautiful, but can easily feel flat if you don't give the eye somewhere to land. So in this home, I created 3 intentional focal walls that define each area without interrupting the flow. Let's start with the living room because this wall really sets the tone for the entire space. Instead of a standard TV wall, I designed a custom wainscoted feature and layered it in real natural 9-foot round poles in their raw finish. I love this combination because it feels elevated but grounded. The wainscoting adds structure and polish, while the wood poles introduce warmth, height, and an organic element that softens everything. This wall isn't just decorative, it anchors the space and makes the living room feel intentional, not accidental. As we move into the dining area, I wanted a moment of contrast. Here, we installed a graphic black, silver, and white wallpaper that immediately defines the dining zone. It's an open concept home. Wallpaper is one of the most elegant ways to create separation without walls. The black and the white keeps it bold and timeless, while the silver just adds enough reflection to catch the light and to keep the space feeling refined. Now into the kitchen where function meets style. For the backsplash, I chose a mosaic peel and stick tile. It gives a look of custom tile work, adds texture, depth, and still feels seamless within one layout. Because the kitchen is visible from so many angles, the backsplash needed to complement the other featured walls, not compete with them. And it does exactly that. Take a listen as I explain the process. I'm so excited to share with you guys this portion of the video. I'm going to add backsplash to this kitchen area below the cabinets and above the cabinets just to give it a little bit more of a spark, a spunk. And you can do this at home as well if you have dark cabinets and you want to give it a little bit more of an aspect for decor or a focal point. This particular tile, a peel and stick vinyl, and it has a mosaic marble, a mosaic stone in here. It's going to pick up on some of the chrome elements that we have in this kitchen. I'm mixing this kitchen, so the final project you'll see we're going to have chrome, marble, and gold. So it's going to be a great marriage between gold and chrome for this particular kitchen. Now, I did say that this was the first time I'm going to utilize something like this. So I went ahead and I purchased this tile cutting machine from Home Depot. I'm going to have to kind of Google it and figure out how to work it, but it was really inexpensive. So if it works, it works. Or you're supposed to be able to cut this tile with just regular scissors. We'll see. But to save time, I went ahead and purchased the machine, and I think it was like 20 bucks. First things first, you will be removing all of the hardware covers, all of the outlet covers that are in the location. I think that this particular kitchen should be pretty simple for me. It's not really that intricate. It's just the backsplash below the microwave here, and then we're gonna add elements above. As you can see, I've already started with, I replaced the silver chrome knobs with something a little bit more gold, so I am tying in that element. Even though this tile has the chrome, when you stand back a little bit, you can see what it looks like. It kind of brings out some of the gray. That's a good blooper. Some of the gray, but it also has like this warm tone gray up in here as well. And I think it'll tie in really nicely with the small gold elements, just to add a little bit into the decor. Instead of it being full sheets, it's a half a sheet. Since this is my first time doing this, I don't know if this is a good thing or it's gonna take more work to line it up, but I thought it packaged as a full 12 inches, but they're actually 6-inch pieces, so we'll see. It has this backing, so I made sure that everything over here was pretty clean already, wiping off the surface. And now I'm going to actually peel the white backing off. Some people only peel part of it. I think I'll just play it by ear. Since this is my first time, I'm going to peel all of it, peel part of it, and see what works best for me. But I think the most important part is to make sure that I don't get the back of it dirty, and that I'm not really pressing down completely until I have positioned it the way that I want it to go. I am going to check to make sure it's leveled, or pretty leveled, straight as it's going to get. I think that's pretty straight right there. And the issue being that it is not always that your ceiling's gonna be straight, but I am using a leveler so that whatever it is I'm putting up here is going to actually be straight. So that first piece was pretty easy. Next, I'm gonna use this. This is an actual wallpaper roller, and I'm gonna use this to press down just to make sure that it's adhering pretty well. I probably should have waited till I had a couple more sheets up, but we'll see. When you're cutting out the corner area, you want to create a template. So I use the backing of the actual tile, and I outlined where my tile piece is going to go. So this is actually going to be my tile piece. I'm going to cut it out. This is my actual template. And then I'm going to place it on, I'm going to place the template on the actual tile and trace it out. You could probably tape the template onto the tile, but I'm being lazy, so I'm not going to tape it onto the tile, but I'm just tracing it, and this is my template. And as you can see, this is going to be the actual tracing. It's pretty easy to cut with scissors. And keep in mind, these are not the greatest scissors. They're just handy little scissors. that you keep around the house. If you wanted to be perfect with it, you could actually get better scissors. Around the space, I installed a large reclining sectional in the living room, and in open spaces, scale is everything. This sectional provides comfort, yes, but more importantly, it visually anchors the room and invites people to actually live in the space. At the kitchen counter, I added some bar stools, functional and social, creating a natural flow between the cooking, dining room, and relaxing. To add the warmth factor and to soften up the details and bring warmth into the home, I layered in natural decor elements. One of my favorite details is to use a hurricane glass with natural birch branches and mixing in pampas grass. Creating these organic textures echo the wood TV wall that bring in a sense of calm movement throughout the space. This is where luxury really lives, in a quiet, thoughtful details. The color palette was key, very intentional, so I worked in exclusively with yellow, gray, white, black, and silver, nothing more. The yellow adds the warmth and life. Gray and the white keep the foundation soft and timeless. Black adds the depth and the contrast. And the silver just introduces that subtle, elevated finish. This project is a perfect example of how an open concept home can feel curated, layered, and luxurious without feeling busy. When every element has a purpose, the space simply works. Enjoy the remaining of the video, and as always, make every single day a great day. If you enjoyed this video and you like this type of content, home decor and style, hit the like button. And please feel free to subscribe and hit that ring notification button as well. That way you will never miss an upload. Until next time, make every day a great day. If you like this video, hit that like button or